Hi guys, I'm stuck in the McDonald's stuff. I slept here overnight. It was awesome. My parents were not here. Me and my friend were here. It was awesome. It's like upstairs. It was a tunnel. We had Nerf. So you go in here, you see outside. You go here, you can go through there. Ah! Ow! Fall down. I have another hack. I have another, huh? You saw that? That was a hacker. It's the police. That was a hacker. Have you heard of a person named the Horrible Hacker? Well, he's been terrorizing every YouTuber. His name was the Game Master. He's coming for me next. After I just made myself in the trap. He trapped me in here. I don't know where I am. Oh, I found a way out. Wish me luck.